So, welcome to Founders Day. Happy Founders Day. It's a very, very special day for all of us today. We're transmitting live from Founders Room. Of course, a new way of getting to you, coming to you, to all of you on this special day using our wonderful technology.
Founders Day is all about. It is a chance for those of us who knew Mrs. Randall to remember her.
Of course, now it's a little different. We're coming to you live, each one of you in your classes, each one of you on your desks. It's a different way, but it's also a very personal way.
Together. It is a chance to reflect. We will keep Mrs. Randall relevant in our thoughts.
We will all continue to benefit from Mrs. Randall, remembering her vision for the English Centre, remembering her mission in life and the values she lived by. This is what Founders Day is all about.
We also want to remember Mrs. Randall, and what a better way to remember her and understand.
Try today. We had some amazing prizes last year and some students that worked so hard
And won the prizes. So this year we would like you to all try, think about which one you would like to go
to help out with thinking mainly to work towards our values of our students.
One of the most beautiful gifts in the world is the gift of encouragement. When someone encourages you, that person helps you over a threshold.
How wonderful and exciting. We are very excited for this day. The time capsule that we buried. There's some wonderful photos of that. These are some of them as your dessert for your lunch. And of course we have a special menu, that is only served during the year on this very special day.
And when the stream that overflows has passed, a consciousness remains upon the silent shore of memory. Images and precious thoughts that shall not be and cannot be destroyed.
Mrs. Randall thoroughly believed that everybody, every one of you, had talents, and that we could all achieve what we set ourselves to do if we really tried, if we endeavored, if we believed in ourselves.
Mrs. Randall's own personal, lifelong love of learning.
This was during her birthday when we celebrated it here in school. Look back at the English Centre, remembering all those good times, of which there have been many.
Make the maximum of your own abilities, each one of you, to your own level of achievement.
The main help that you will need will be from yourselves and your motivation to succeed.
Today is nearly over, and now you must look forward in anticipation of your new futures.
Make you feel happy with what you are doing.
Oh, wonderful. It's a competition. I'm not sure who did it better. And you can do it. Maria Luisa spent some time with my grandparents.
Right?
She was in Mumbles, in Ely Bryn, which some of you know very well because you visited Ely Bryn and you've been there as part of the school residence that it is now. Our students actually go. It's actually an alumni as well. The school from the early days of the school as well. They're both very young, but they're from the early days of the school.
La nostalgia me invade, me acuerdo mucho de Mrs. Randall, de los grandes momentos con ella y de la oportunidad que tuve de entrar en esta familia, porque para mí ha sido una prolongación de la que tengo en casa y el gran castigo para nosotros era no venir al cole, porque éramos felices aquí.
Remember the very first day when Mrs. Rundle was in charge of the lists. She called my brother's name and he ran to the...
You know who the woman is on the right?
Teacher here at the English Centre for many years. So you've been an alumni, you were very close to the family, then you were also teaching, so you know how the English Centre is very well.
Never lost contact, never.
Yeah, so we have on screen you've seen some photos of our guest speakers when they were students, little girls, then bigger girls, and so we have precisely here Maria Jose García Lainez, who it says there that she was a pupil and teacher, and some of the photos of the memoralia we have of her in school back in those years, which I'm not sure if you remember some of those photos, but there you go. And the same for Maria Luisa. We have some photographs of when she was a student and also with one of her daughters.